In this video, we will discuss about our Database Pro Addon. So for Database Pro Addon, make sure you have all these three plugins available. Now go to all accounts and search for database. Can enable our Database Pro Addon. Now let's go ahead and bring up one of our form. Let's do this one. Yeah. Now it's submitted. Let's go and check our database. So if we go to form 2, as you can see, we have this submission here. And if you will click here, you will get a full view of the database. Now, if you want, you can also have a quick look here. And you can also download CSV format, Excel format if you want to see. If you click CSV, so it will download a CSV format like this. Let me open this. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not CSV. So we also have like Excel and PDF, and you can also download the printable version. And you can also set column visibility from here. So these are all part of Database Pro. There is one additional thing within Database Pro, which is basically if we go to single view, you see this option of sending a message to your user. So as you can see, and your user also can respond to you through the dashboard. So how to do that? For that, you need to set up email piping, and you can set up this whole system within your dashboard. So please check that email piping video, which will pop up on top of this video by now, to know how to set this up. And so that's basically it for the Database Pro Addon. So here you can see we have all the list of the forms, and you can see if we have any submissions here on any of the forms or not. Okay. So that's it. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.